Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It is wash day today and I will be using this opportunity to review the Shetowel from Feneti woman. Most of you would know her if you follow my journey on Instagram and also on YouTube. She installed her Microlocs by herself. I think it was about 3 to 4 years ago, and she posted the videos on YouTube, and those videos inspired me to install my Microlocs by myself. When she told me she had released this new product, I was absolutely overjoyed. I received the package a couple of weeks ago in the post and I haven't opened it yet. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's nicely packed. On the back of this card is a little note to you if you're purchasing this product. And it's also got her website as well, which is www.myshetowel.com. So with regards to the towel itself, it feels quite dense, you know, when you feel like you're holding something that's very rich and got really good quality. And it's also got this little hood. So I guess the hood is meant to go like that. It says here that the material has been tested for harmful substances. There's also some instructions on how you go about washing it. So by just feeling this product, to me, I have no doubt that it's really good quality, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to go wash my hair and I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you want to know what I think about this product, just stay tuned and I'll be right back. I have literally just come out of the shower. My hair is absolutely wet. I can barely see anything without my glasses. And I'm just about to give this towel a go. Okay, so let's see. So immediately, the first thing I notice is this little hood here is very helpful because it just helps you to scoop up your hair very quickly, as you can see. And then I guess you could just gently squeeze and pat down the hair. I've had to put my glasses back on. So one thing I like about this towel is if you've got really long locks, you could basically just scoop up your hair. The length of your locks basically just flows through the rest of the towel and you can just pat it down. Okay, in my own case, I've got short locks, so it still works out quite nicely for me. And you can just see that the towel absolutely absorbs everything. Like, I don't have any more water dripping out of my hair. It's literally just absorbed everything. I don't see any snags. There's no hair snagging on the towel. Yeah, so I think this is like a really good quality product. If you ask me, it's very absorbent. Like literally all the water is gone. So all in all, I think this is a really good quality product. It is highly absorbent. I can't even get the water to be squeezed out, and you could see my hair was dripping initially before I put the towel in my hair. So I think it's a really good product, and if you are interested in getting this product, I'm going to put the link to Feneti's woman website. It's called My Shetowel, www.myshetowel.com. And yeah, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.